Hi, I'm Ariane from Zona and this is the makeup we'll create today. First of all, step 1, I'm gonna use my foundation to do the base makeup. This is the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear. I spread the product all over my face and then with a foundation brush, I'm gonna blend it. This foundation is in the color 005 and it's called Beige Ivoire. Step number 2, we're gonna use concealer. This is the Shogun's concealer. I'm gonna use it under my eyes to cover my dark circles, also a little bit on the external part and then on my chin and on my forehead too, just to create some point of light. And then we're gonna blend everything with a beauty blender. I want to use also this setting powder, which is also a foundation. This is the Shiseido foundation, the Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Custom Finish Powder. Next step, with this palette by Huda Beauty, I'm gonna use this color of transition. This is just like a peach slash a brown. I'm gonna use this color in the crease of my eye and also a little bit on my eyelid too. Remember to use an eyeshadow blending brush for this step. At this point, I do the same thing on the other eye too. Then I take this color, which is a brown, just to intensify a little bit the crease. Next color, it is this light pink, just on my eyelid, and I'm gonna use it directly with my fingers. I retouch a little bit the crease, just to make it more intense. And for the last color, I use this pink shimmer with gold glitters on it, and I apply this color on my eyelid. That's because Douyin makeup is based on a sparkling look. I use this white eyeliner by Kiko, and as you can see, I'm gonna create a graphic eyeliner. I want to create one line in the inner part of my eyes, and another one on the external part, just like an eyeliner. With this palette by Chiara Ferragni and also some glitters, I'm gonna add glitters on my face, on my eyes, and also a little bit under my eyes, on my cheeks, like a highlighter. Then it's time to put on fake lashes. These fake lashes are by Silly George. I brush my eyebrows with this gel by Benefit because I want to create the effect of soap brows. Let's complete the makeup with other products. For example, this blush, this is by Shein. It's by the Willy Wonka collection and it's a violet one. It really smells like raspberry. I want to sculpt my cheekbones and also my nose a little bit with this bronzer, which is the Hula by Benefit. And the last step for the lips, I want to use this lip pencil by Kylie Jenner. But for the Douyin makeup, I want to use it just in the center of my lips. And to complete the makeup, I add the gloss. This is the lip gloss by Makeup Revolution by the Lion King collection. And this is the result of the makeup. I added also a little bit of white mascara under my eyes, and that's it.